He did that on purpose.
Yeah, he's just easily distracted.
Yeah, well.
Come on, let's see if we can find a way out of here.
Oh, alright. You guys want to see something? Look at all of those crystals! All of those crystals! Oh. Oh, man. Make a comment if you want me to collect all of these crystals. If you really want to. If you really want me to. It's up to you guys, because I know you guys probably want to, I don't know. But if you get all of like 100, you get like a lot of fucking bolts. So it's up to you guys. Damn it! Why I always do that? I don't know, it's like addicted. Yeah, now it's these guys. Hold on. La 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 la. Oh, wait. Ah! Oh, I almost got fucking poisoned or whatever it is. Yeah, you Steve, back you motherfucker. Oh. They sound like fucking birds when they die or something. Or like one of those fucking owls. Yeah, you want to destroy those generator things. I don't know what they're called actually. Yeah, this place is like so fucking easy. If you know what you're doing and have really good guns. Well, hello. Oh, yeah, while I was like, you know, not doing videos like for weeks, I've been playing Red Dead Redemption multiplayer and been playing my new game Payday 2.
Hold on. This one says,
so yeah.
Use rock to break glass to get wrench to break glass to get rock. Ooh, I love logic puzzles. Let's see. If you break the glass with the solved it.
Hold up. Hold up. You. Hey! No! Bad fucking fairy fly. We just die. There we go. La la la. Look all of this. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? I smacked it. Alright. Yeah, man, die. Yeah, man. Thank you.
Hand over the experiment now.
I can't do that.
You have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! He's a she.
This changes nothing. Where's the experiment?
We have returned it to Mr. Fizzwidget.
Oh, you've just put the whole galaxy in imminent danger. But I don't have time to stand around explaining it to you. If you have any intention of fixing the mess you've made, watch this.
Boom!
No. Good thing that wasn't little Susie. Here at the Megacorp testing facility, we make sure the products you buy are safe for you and your family. These are just a few of the products we've rejected to help keep you safe. The Tiny Talk Slingshot, the Nuclear Mousetrap, Self-Wedgifying Underwear,
Oh, geez.
and the Lawn Ninjas. So the next time your toaster doesn't explode in your face, say a little thank you to the Megacorp testing facility.
Wow, she's got a few bolts loose. What does a testing facility have to do with galactic danger?
I am unsure. However, I believe we should investigate that location.
Well, we're gonna need a new ship.
Alright. Now we are at the desert.
Hello, sir.
Hey, that's my ship.
Possession is an illusion. Do not all things belong to the cosmos?
No. That's definitely mine.
This vessel suffers from wounded child. Only the power of the crystals can hope to heal it.
Crystals, sir?
Crystals? Like those found in the desert? Beyond. Oh.
Well, we don't have any better ideas. Let's go grab a few crystals.
Well, I ain't grabbing the crystals yet. Because there is this flying thing that you really need, actually. It's like right there.
Megacorp Manufacturing and
Damn it, I did it again! I need to start pressing circle or something. I mean, damn. Yeah, blah blah blah.